You need to help her. Yes, you can. Get over there and grab her and help her. Can you pull her back on the seat? Uh-oh. Here. Oh, help her. Help her. Help her. Come on, big sissy. Ellie, I thought you were going to let Avi ride it. Get off there and let Avi ride it. Okay, now stand behind her. Stand behind the bike. Stand behind the bike, Ellie. And reach over. Reach over onto the handlebars. See where the handlebars? There you go. Now push her like that, and then you can steer for her, too. There! Look at that! Look at the girls! They're going for a bike ride. You're going to have trouble back there. You're not going to be able to turn around. Uh-oh. Oh, good job. Except she's falling. Good job, Ellie. Don't hit my chair. Say hi.
Hi. I'm just going to stop
And do what?
And we're poking next to Daddy's seat. We have to go this way. There we go. So we stop at the...
What a nice girl. What a nice big sissy.